In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete contacts from the contact list on your Telegram account. Now, when you come to your phone and tap and open Telegram, you will see if you open Telegram, your contacts will be found here. If I scroll down, I know I'm on chat. You can see my contacts are here. If I tap on contact, you will see my contacts are still here. But maybe you don't want them to be here, like you want to delete and disable the whole contact so that you won't see contact here again. Now, how do you delete or disable this contact to stop appearing here? It's very simple. But remember, this is an Android phone, so the Android phone interface may look a bit different from iPhone. Now, on the Android phone, tap and go to your phone settings. Look for your phone settings on your phone and tap on your settings. On the phone settings, scroll a bit down and look for privacy. You can see here privacy, but in some phones you will see privacy and security. So mine is showing privacy. Tap on it. If you tap on it, then you can see here permission manager. Tap on it. If it opens here, from here look for contact. You can see here contact. Tap on contact. And on contact, then scroll down and look for Telegram. You can see here Telegram. Tap on Telegram. You can see here the access is allowed, so tap on this deny. Tap here. You can see, then close here and go back again and open your Telegram. You can see if I open Telegram, my contacts are still showing. They're on Telegram. Come on settings and tap on settings. If you tap on settings on this page, you can see here privacy and security. Tap on it. Then from here, scroll down all to the end. If you scroll down, you can see here on this area here contact. You can see here sync contacts. So toggle this off. Then you can see right here delete sync contact. Tap on this one and tap on this delete. So right now, if I go back to my phone or to my contacts, to my Telegram, you will see those contacts won't be there anymore. Now let's go back. If I tap on contact, you can see the whole contact have disappeared. If I tap on chat, you can see those contacts are no longer here. You can see it's very simple, and that's how you can actually delete or disable the contact from the contact list on your Telegram account. Thanks for watching and bye.